Good day, ma'am and sir, and to my future employer. My name is Jasmine Yasi. I'm 37 years old from Iloilo City, Philippines. I'm single mom with one daughter and she is 18 years old. My work experience is, my first employer is from Malaysia. I'm working there for almost 5 years and more. And my responsibilities duties team is to taking care of the two child. The eldest is 5 years old and the younger is 3 years old. And also do the cleaning house. And my second employer here in Singapore. I am working here 4 years. My main duties here is cleaning the house, taking care of the dog, and washing the car. Thank you.